Hello, my name is Elisa Contreras and I am in ESL 4. Here are my 7 images and I am going to talk about my paragraph. Mexico produces avocados. The farmers notices they are growing. The farmers places them in boxes. The farmer practices this routine daily. The avocado company forces them to do 100 boxes a day. Here are my sentences. Number 1. While the cow produces milk, Tom notices his body is getting healthy. Number 2. The nurse practices taking a fertility class as she praises the surge on a student. Number 3. The nurse places a band-aid on the child. Number 4. The army forces the members to run. Thank you for watching my video.